Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add red curtain transition on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on InShot. So I'm going to click on video, and then I'm going to select new, and we can choose videos we want to edit. For example, I'm just going to choose a video from my download folder, and I'm going to choose this video and also this one, and I'm going to click on the check mark to add the videos to my project. Okay, and wait guys, I'm going to change the canvas. Okay, and I'm going to add red curtain transition here. So I'm going to go to the PIP, and then we're going to select InShot material to get red curtain clip, and here you can choose green screen category, and you can scroll down until you find the red curtain. This one, click on the red curtain, and I'm going to place it right here. Wait, I'm going to click on this autofill button to fit the screen, and then I'm going to remove the green screen. Wait, I'm going to select the red curtain green screen, and we're going to go to the chroma feature to remove the green screen. You can select Hada, and then you can choose chroma and pick the green color, and then you're going to increase the strength and also the shadow, and click on the check mark, and let's see the result. Wait, I'm going to move it here. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied guys with the result. Alright, like this. Okay, and then I'm going to play it again to show you the final result. Okay, or you can place this transition to the first part of your video according to your needs. Okay, you can adjust your video. You can adjust the editing according to your needs, guys. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add red curtain transition on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.